Taking you through news across Nigeria from NaijaNews TV. A marriage negotiation in Mbaise, Imo State, came to an abrupt halt when the bride's family requested a bride price of 1 million naira. A member of the groom's family expressed frustration over this demand, leading to widespread discussions online. In response to the incident, veteran Nollywood actor Kanayo, who hails from Mbaise, addressed the situation in a video. He emphasized that in igbo culture, bride price varies between families and are often based on the value each family places on their daughter. He stated that such practices are not unique to Mbaise. Kanayo's comment have sparked various reactions. Some individuals shared positive experiences of reasonable bride price negotiations in the region, while others expressed reservations about marrying from Mbaise due to past experiences. The incident has reignited discussions about cultural practices and the varying expectation of bride prices within different communities in Nigeria. However, Kanayo made his stance clear on the matter. While this marital requirement saga has generated mixed reactions online, we'll continue to supply you more news updates. Please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.